Now, good morning to IRS online classes. So now you are watching the video of class 6 English, and today I am going to teach you chapter number 5 from supplementary book Tansen. Open page number 15. This is the first video of your class for this chapter. So chapter number 5 Tansen. Just look into book. Tansen was the only child of his parents. Naughty but talented, he imitated the calls of birds and animals perfectly. Once he tried to frighten a group of travelers by roaring like a tiger. You may have heard the name of Tansen. Now go through paragraph of your lesson. You may have heard the name of Tansen, the greatest musician our country has produced. A singer called Mukundan Mishra and his wife lived in Behar near Gwalior. Tansen was their only child. It is said that he was a naughty child. Often he ran away to play in the forest and soon learned to imitate perfectly the calls of birds and animals. A famous singer named Swami Haridas was once traveling through the forest with his disciples. Tired, the group settled down to rest in a shady grove. Tansen saw them, strangers in the forest. He said to himself, "It will be fun to frighten them." He hid behind a tree and roared like a tiger. The little group of travelers scattered in fear, but Swami Haridas called them together. "Don't be afraid," he said. "Tigers are not always dangerous. Let us look for this one." Suddenly, one of his men saw a small boy hiding behind a tree. There are no tigers here, master," he said, "only this naughty boy." Now, explanation of this chapter. Go through your book. You just take out your book and start to read this. So it is given here, Tansen was only, means in brief, it is given, Tansen was only child of his parents. Tansen was only, means alone child, single child of his parents. Okay? वो अपने माता पिता का अकेला लड़का था. Naughty but talented. He was naughty. Naughty, you know, mischievous.
Yes,
naughty.
sir.
He was naughty, mischievous, शरारती था, but talented, but full of talent. He imitated the calls of birds and animals perfectly. Imitated means copied. कॉपी करना, वो कॉपी कर ले जाता था, इमिटेट कर ले जाता था, कॉपी कर ले जाता था, बिल्कुल सटीक. द कॉल्स ऑफ बर्ड्स एंड एनिमल्स परफेक्टली. कॉल्स मीन्स यू कैन से साउंड, वॉइस ऑफ बर्ड्स, साउंड ऑफ बर्ड्स एंड एनिमल्स. ही कुड कॉपी परफेक्टली. वो पूरी तरह से कॉपी कर ले जाता था. ही वॉज एबल टू कॉपी दैट. निकाल ले जाता था, आवाज निकालना, मेकिंग अ साउंड, प्रोड्यूसिंग अ साउंड. Once he tried to frighten a group of travelers by roaring like a tiger. It is given in brief that once he tried to frighten. Frighten means making them scared. उनको डराने की कोशिश किया उन्हें. Making them afraid. उन्हें डराने की कोशिश किया. Travelers के ग्रुप को by producing sound of tiger. एक टाइगर की आवाज निकालकर उन्हें डराने की कोशिश किया. Now go through this paragraph. You may have heard the name of Tansen. You may have heard means surely you have heard. आरविशित आपने you may have heard. आपने सुना होगा name of Tansen. Tansen का नाम आपने सुना है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So generally you are knowing Akbar, Birbal, and with that name Tansen also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the greatest musician of
Our country,
India,
Yes, sir.
India during Akbar period. Okay. तो you may have heard the name of Tansen. आपने तानसेन का नाम सुना होगा. The greatest musician our country has produced. He was greatest musician our country has produced. Means from our country, of our country. A single called Mukundan Mishra and his wife lived in Behar near Gwalior. Gwalior, you know, it lies in MP, Madhya Pradesh. ठीक है? ग्वालियर के बारे में आपने सुना है? ग्वालियर, झांसी, ये सब नाम आपने सुना होगा. These are historical places. Okay? तो near Gwalior, a place is there, Behar, and in Behar, a singer called Mukundan Mishra and his wife. मुकुंदन मिश्रा और उनकी वाइफ मुकुंद मिश्रा नाम के एक सिंगर थे और उनकी वाइफ, दोनों बिहार में ग्वालियर के नजदीक रहते थे। दे बोथ लिव्ड इन ग्वालियर। तानसेन was their only child. Actually, Tansen was their only child, means single child, means you can say single child of them. It is said that he was a naughty child. It is said, means generally people says that he was a naughty child at that time. Mischievous, शरारती था। naughty means शरारती, बच्चे शरारती होते हैं, mischievous होते हैं, तो he was naughty means mischievous child. Often he ran away to play in the forest. Often means usually, अक्सर करके, अक्सर। He ran away to the forest. वो जंगल की तरफ भाग जाता था। Ran away in the forest, जंगल में चला जाता था and खेलने के लिए, to play, and soon learned to imitate perfectly the calls of birds and animals. And soon, very soon, he started to imitate. He started to copy the sound of birds and animals. चिड़ियों की और जानवरों की आवाज को उसने कॉपी करना शुरू कर दिया। मैं स्टार्टेड टू प्रोड्यूस द साउंड ऑफ बर्ड्स एंड एनिमल्स वेरी सून, परफेक्टली, पूरी तरह से जानवरों की और चिड़ियों की आवाज को प्रोड्यूस करना उसने स्टार्ट कर दिया। ही वाज एबल टू मेक दैट साउंड। नाउ ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज, द पेज नंबर 16, ओपन योर पेज, टर्न योर पेज। A famous singer named Swami Haridas was traveling through the forest with his disciples. फर्स्टली तो नो द मीनिंग ऑफ डिस्पिल्स, शिष्य जानते हो, शिष्य,
Yes, sir.
एज यू से स्टूडेंट्स,
Yes.
जो शिष्य होते हैं उनको स्टूडेंट्स, डिस्पिल भी कहा जाता है, डिस्पिल।
In
ओके,
ancient times.
तो अ फेमस सिंगर नेम स्वामी हरिदास, अ फेमस सिंगर नेम स्वामी हरिदास। स्वामी हरिदास नाम के एक फेमस सिंगर थे। ही वाज अ फेमस सिंगर, वेल नोन सिंगर, वाज वंस ट्रैवलिंग थ्रू द फॉरेस्ट। Once he was traveling, means going from one place to another place through the forest. जंगल से होकर के वो एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जा रहे थे with his disciples, with his students, अपने शिष्यों के साथ, अपने छात्रों के साथ वो एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जा रहे थे। He was traveling through the forest. Tired, they were tired, physically exhausted, पूरी तरह से थक गए थे, शारीरिक थकान होने लगी हुई थी। They were tired. The group settled down to rest in a shady grove. Grove means होता है गार्डन, बगीचा, राइट, जिसको आप उद्यान बोलते हो, बगीचा कहते हो ग्रोव। तो एक ग्रोव में वो रुक गए, बगीचे में वो रुक जाते हैं, पर जंगल से जाते हुए पेड़ों के झुंड का एक बगीचा था, वहां पर वो रुक जाते हैं। They settled down to rest, to take a rest for a while. Tansen saw them. Tansen looked them. Tansen saw them means Tansen saw the group of travelers. यात्रियों के समूह को तानसेन ने देखा। Singers in the forest. He was surprised. Singers in the forest. जंगल में सिंगर्स, गायक हैं, सिंगर्स हैं in the forest. Okay. Sorry, strangers. The person who is not familiar to you. Okay. जो unknown person होते हैं, not familiar, जो आपसे परिचित नहीं होते हैं, strangers.
Yes, sir.
Sorry for that word. Stranger, अजनबी लोग, जंगल में अजनबी। He said to himself, spoke to himself, खुद से बोला, अपने आप से, अपने मन में उसने कहा, oh very good, strangers in the forest, I'm not knowing to these people, it will be fun to frighten them, it will be fun, I will feel very happy to frighten them, to make them afraid, to make them scared, उनको डरा कर मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगेगा, I will feel very happy to frighten them. He hid behind, hid, छिप जाना, okay, so he hid behind a tree. He made him hide. He hide himself behind a tree. अपने को पेड़ के पीछे छिपा लेता है, पेड़ के पीछे छिप जाता है। And roared like a tiger and produced a sound of tiger. Produced sound of tiger. Tiger की आवाज वो निकालता है। The little group of travelers scattered. Scattered means you know, फैल जाना, बिखर जाना, इधर उधर भागने लगना, स्कैटर, यस,
Scattered.
तो द लिटिल ग्रुप ऑफ ट्रैवलर्स, दैट लिटिल ग्रुप ऑफ ट्रैवलर्स, यात्रियों का वो जो छोटा सा समूह था, स्कैटर्ड इन फियर, दे वर अफ्रेड एंड स्टार्टेड टू रन अवे फ्रॉम हियर टू देयर, इट्स स्कैटर्ड, फैल गए, बिखर गए, इधर से उधर भागने लगे, इन फियर, डर में। But Swami Haridas called them together. But Swami Haridas called them all together. उन सबको फिर अपने पास बुलाया. He called, don't be afraid, don't be scared, डरो नहीं, भीत मत हो. He said, tigers are not always dangerous. You are thinking that tigers are dangerous, you are listening the sound of tiger and you are afraid, you are scared, frightened. डर गए हो, भयभीत हो गए हो. Don't be afraid. डरो नहीं. Tigers are not always dangerous. हमेशा खतरनाक नहीं होते टाइगर. तुम टाइगर की आवाज सुन रहे हो. They are not always dangerous. Let us look for this one. We should search it. हमको उसे ढूंढना चाहिए. Where is the tiger? We should search it. Suddenly one of his men saw a small boy. Suddenly one of his men means from that group a person saw a little boy. उसने एक छोटे से बच्चे को देखा. उनके ग्रुप में से एक आदमी ने एक बच्चे को देखा. उनके शिष्यों में से एक ने एक बच्चे छोटे से बच्चे को देखा. Little boy, small boy, hiding behind a tree. He was hiding behind a tree. He was just trying to hide himself behind a tree. पेड़ के पीछे अपने आप को छिपाने की कोशिश कर रहा था. There are no tigers here, master, Swami, Guru. There are no tigers. We have heard the sound of tiger, na? But there's no tiger. यहाँ कोई tiger नहीं है. Only this naughty boy is standing here. Only this mischievous boy is standing there. केवल ये शरारती लड़का है यहाँ पर. कोई tiger नहीं है. Now come to next paragraph. Swami Haridas did not punish him. He went to Tansen's father and said, "Your son is very naughty. He is also very talented. I think I can make him a good singer." Now, explanation of this paragraph. Swami Haridas did not punish him. Although Swami Haridas and his people were frightened, afraid. Swami Haridas और उनके लोग डर गए थे इस चीज से कि there may be a tiger. A tiger can kill them. But Swami Haridas was very wise person. बहुत बुद्धिमान थे. He could recognize the sound of actual tiger and imitating sound of tiger, right? तो he was able to identify that. वो पहचान गए. तुरंत उन्हें समझ में आया कि no tiger is here. So he called all his disciples. इसीलिए उन्होंने लास्ट पैराग्राफ में मैंने आपको बताया. इसीलिए उन्होंने अपने सारे शिष्यों को बुलाया. You are thinking the tiger? You are thinking about the tiger? It is the sound of a tiger, but don't be scared. Tigers are not always dangerous. Tigers हमेशा dangerous नहीं होते क्योंकि tiger रहेगा तब तो dangerous होगा. And after that, when he got that this was the sound produced by a small child, he didn't become angry. वो गुस्सा नहीं हुए and did not punish him और उसे सजा भी नहीं दी. किसी प्रकार की कोई सजा उन्होंने नहीं दी. He went to Tansen's father. He went directly to Tansen's father. उस बच्चे को लिया उन्होंने and went to Tansen's house to meet his father. तानसेन के घर जाते हैं उसके फादर से मिलने के लिए and said, कहा, your son is very naughty. Your son is very naughty. तुम्हारा मतलब आपका बच्चा बहुत शरारती है. Very mischievous. बहुत शरारती है. He is also very talented. But one more thing that he is talented also. He is mischievous. He is naughty, but he is talented also. गुड़ी है. गुड़ का धनी है. उसके अंदर क्वालिटी है. क्वालिटीफुल चाइल्ड. I think I can make him a good singer. I have seen his quality. मैंने उसकी क्वालिटी देखा है. मुझे लगता है I think मैं सोचता हूँ. मुझे लगता है I feel that I can make him a good singer. मैं उसे एक अच्छा सिंगर बना सकता हूँ. Because I am a singer, so I can give him my quality. मैं उसे अपनी क्वालिटी दे सकता हूँ. I can make him a good singer. Tansen was 10 years old when he went away with Swami Haridas. He lived with him for 11 years, learning music and became a great singer. At about this time, his parents died. Mukundan Mishra's time wish was that Tansen should visit Muhammad Ghosh. It is Muhammad Ghosh, okay, of Gwalior. Muhammad Ghosh was a holy man. Mukundan Mishra had long been devoted to him and often visited him. While living in Gwalior with Muhammad Ghosh, Tansen was often taken to the court of Rani Mriganini, who was a great musician herself. There he met and married one of the ladies of the court. Her name was Husainini. Now look here. Tansen was 10 years old. Tansen was just 10 years old only. वो केवल 10 साल का था। तानसेन केवल 10 साल के थे। तानसेन केवल वो बच्चा केवल 10 साल का, ओनली ही वाज ऑफ 10 इयर्स, वो केवल 10 साल का था। When he went away with Swami Haridas, when Swami Haridas took him with himself,
Yes.
उसके साथ स्वामी हरिदास जब उस बच्चे को अपने साथ ले गए, या वो बच्चा जब स्वामी हरिदास के साथ गया, तो he was at the age of 10 years only, वो केवल 10 साल का था। At the age of 10 years he left his home, उसने अपना घर छोड़ दिया। He lived with him for 11 years. For 11 years, Tansen lived with Swami Haridas. Wherever Swami Haridas was going, he was also following him. वो उनके साथ साथ उनके पीछे पीछे जाता था, उन्हीं के साथ रहता था for 11 years. You can see at the age of up to the age of 21, because at age of 10 years he left the home and 11 years he lived with him. So 21 years. 21 years की एज तक वो उनके साथ रहा, उन्हीं के साथ रहा, स्वामी हरिदास के साथ। Became his disciple, उनका शिष्य बनकर। Learning music, he was learning music from Swami Haridas and became a great singer, and he became a great singer also, और एक महान सिंगर बन गया। At about this time, his parents died. At about this time, generally it was the time of after 11 years when he left the home, his parents died. उसके माता पिता दोनों एक्सपायर कर गए, दोनों मर गए, both expired. Mukund Mishra's dying wish. Dying wish means the wish that a person says or expresses at the time of death. मरने के समय जो इच्छा आप अपने मन से निकालते हो, जो बात आप लोगों से बोलते हो कि मेरी अंतिम इच्छा है, that is said as dying wish. मरते समय मरती हुई इच्छा, मरते समय मुंह से निकली हुई इच्छा, जो विश आपकी होती है, desire, last wish you can say. तो अब about this time his parents died. मुकुंदन मिश्रा's dying wish, मुकुंदन मिश्रा की लास्ट विश जो थी, मरते समय जो उनकी इच्छा थी, was that Tansen should visit Muhammad Ghaus of Gwalior. He said that after my death I want that Tansen should meet Muhammad Ghaus of Gwalior. उनको तानसेन को ग्वालियर के मोहम्मद गौस से मिलना चाहिए। मोहम्मद गौस was a holy man. Holy, do you know? पवित्र व्यक्ति,
Yes, sir.
right? Having no bad intention for any person. Okay? Not having different intention for any person. कुछ भी अपनी सोच से अलग लोगों के प्रति नहीं सोचना। जो चीज बिल्कुल सही है, परफेक्ट है, जस्टिस है, वही फॉलो करना। That person is called holy man. So, Muhammad, yes.
For example, father, church.
Yeah, you can say so many people are here, है ना? You can
Priest
say,
also.
you can see the people in this this social life also. सामाजिक जीवन में भी अपने अगल बगल में भी आप देख सकते हो, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होते हैं। You can find so many people who are not
Mostly
thinking any
priest.
other thing, yes,
Priest
about
of-
other people, है ना? Not having any bad intention for other people. They are thinking all are same. The whole earth is my family, the whole earth is my home, and all the people are my family. ठीक है? Members of my family. So Muhammad Ghaus was a holy man. Mukundan Mishra had long been devoted to him. Long been devoted to him means he was long been inspired to him. Okay, and paid his devotion to him. श्रद्धा रखना, किसी के प्रति श्रद्धा रखना। मुकुंदन मिश्रा की बहुत लंबे समय तक श्रद्धा थी। किसके प्रति थी? मोहम्मद गौस के प्रति। ठीक है, उनके प्रति हमेशा वो कृतज्ञ थे, हमेशा उनके श्रद्धालु बनकर थे, उनको हमेशा आदर देते थे। यू कैन से मुकुंदन मिश्रा वाज गिविंग रिस्पेक्ट टू मोहम्मद गौस फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। लंबे समय से वो उनको रिस्पेक्ट देते थे। नेक्स्ट, and often visited him, and often he was going to visit him. अक्सर उनसे मिलने भी जाते थे। While living in Gwalior with Muhammad Ghaus, मोहम्मद गौस के साथ ग्वालियर में रहने के दौरान तानसेन was often taken to the court. Means after his father's death, Tansen completed his father's last wish. उन्होंने उसको पूरा किया। He went to Muhammad Ghaus, he went near Muhammad Ghaus, या he went to meet तो मोहम्मद गौस, उनके पास मिलने चले गए और उन्हीं के साथ रहने लगे। तो while living with मोहम्मद गौस के साथ रहने के दौरान तानसेन was taken to the court of रानी मृगानी। वो रानी रानी के दरबार में अक्सर जाया करते थे। ओके, और मृगनयनी क्वीन मृगनयनी या रानी मृगनयनी के दरबार में अक्सर वो जाया करते थे। हु वाज अ ग्रेट म्यूजिशियन हरसेल्फ, शी वाज हरसेल्फ अ ग्रेट म्यूजिशियन, वो खुद भी एक बहुत अच्छी संगीतकार थी। तानसेन वाज there he met and married one of the ladies of the court. There Tansen was usually going to court to meet Rani Mrignani. So at that court he met two ladies, वो एक ladies से मिले and married with her also, और उनसे उन्होंने विवाह भी किया। Her name was हुसैनी, उनका क्या नाम था? हुसैनी। Hussaini also became Swami Hardas disciple. After getting married, Hussaini also became disciple. वो भी शिष्य बन गई of Swami Hardas की, वो भी शिष्य बन गई, शिष्या बन गई। Tansen and Hussaini had 5 children who were all very musical. They gave birth to 5 children. उनके 5 बच्चे, 5 संतानें, 5 children were there with him. उनके 5 बच्चे थे and they all were very musical. वो सभी संगीतकार थे। Tansen had by the time became very famous. By that time उस समय तक to that time Tansen became very famous. Tansen बहुत famous हो चुके थे। Sometimes he sang before Emperor Akbar. Sometimes he was going to the court of Emperor Akbar and singing there. वो राजा बादशाह अकबर के भी दरबार में जाया करते थे and he was usually singing there. वहाँ पर गाया करते थे। Who was so impressed by him that he insisted Tansen should join his court. Insist करना, make forcing. उन्होंने फोर्स किया, दबाव बनाया या रिक्वेस्ट किया तानसेन को कि you should join our court. तुम्हें हमारा दरबार ज्वाइन कर लेना चाहिए, तुम्हें हमारा दरबारी बन जाना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ। Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556 and soon became a great favorite of the emperor. Akbar would call upon Tansen to sing at any time during the day or night. Quite often, he would just walk into Tansen's house to hear him practice. He also gave him many presents. Some of the courtiers became jealous of Tansen. We shall never be able to rest till Tansen is ruined, they declared. One of the courtiers, Shaukat Mian, had a bright idea. You can see. Now you will get the explanation of this paragraph. Now look here. Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556. Tansen अकबर के दरबार में 1556 में गए. Okay, the year is also given here. So he reached Akbar's court in 1556 and soon became a great favorite of emperor. You know 9 wells of Emperor Akbar, na?
Yes, sir.
Emperor Akbar के पास 9 they had a team. He was saying 9 wells. नवरत्न बोलते थे वो. तो उनके नवरत्नों में से तानसेन भी एक थे. He was also of that team.
Yes, sir.
Tansen was also from that team. वो भी उस टीम का हिस्सा थे. Member of that team. 9 wells. नवरत्न. Soon became a great favorite of the emperor. और जल्दी ही emperor के चहेते बन गए.
Yes, sir.
Okay, उनके प्रिय हो गए. Akbar would call upon Tansen to sing at any time during day or night.
Quite.
Whenever Akbar wanted, he would call Tansen to sing for him. अपने लिए गाने के लिए तानसेन जब भी इच्छा होती थी अकबर को, तो तानसेन को बुला लेता था to sing for him day or night, whatever the time is, day or night, चाहे दिन हो या रात हो, जब कभी भी इच्छा होती थी अकबर की उन्हें सुनने की, वो तानसेन को बुला लेते थे। Quite often he would just walk into Tansen's house. Quite often, अक्सर करके, usually, often, अक्सर, अकबर walked to Tansen's house also. अकबर तानसेन के घर भी चले जाया करते थे to hear him practice, उसके practice को सुनने के लिए. Whatever he was practicing, whatever he was singing, जो कुछ भी वो गाते थे, अकबर went to his home also, his house also. Usually to listen him, उन्हें सुनने के लिए उनके दरबार में भी जाते थे. He also gave him many presents. He gave him many gifts also. Gifts, उपहार जानते ही हैं आप. Some of the courtiers became jealous of Tansen because Tansen was favorite of Akbar. So some of the courtiers, दरबारियों में से कुछ लोग थे. Some of the courtiers, उनके दरबारियों में से कुछ became jealous of Tansen. Tansen से ईर्ष्या रखते थे. ठीक है? We shall never be able to rest. We shall never be able to rest. हम तब तक आराम नहीं कर पाएंगे, हमें तब तक चैन नहीं मिलेगा, हमें तब तक चैन नहीं आएगा. We will not feel comfortable when or up to Tansen is ruined. जब तक तानसेन बर्बाद नहीं हो जाता, तानसेन is destroyed.
Yes, sir.
Okay? At that time, Tansen is destroyed. We will not feel comfortable. जब तक वो बर्बाद नहीं हो जाता तानसेन, तब तक हमें चैन नहीं मिलेगा, रेस्ट नहीं लेंगे हम. They declared like this. They said, one of the courtiers, Shaukat Mian, had a bright idea. One of the courtiers is those people who were feeling jealous of Tansen. One person was there. His name was Shaukat Mian, and he had a bright idea. उसके मन में एक bright idea आया, एक अच्छा विचार आया. Okay. So thank you class. That's for today, and you will get next explanation in next video part 2. Thank you.